Hello friends, family, and fellow YouTubers. Gary Swain here. Today I want to show you a simple project of how to make garden angels. They're cute little things we can do with just scrap stuff we have laying around, and they're real decorative. My wife loves them in the garden, and today we're going to do it out of some simple things. So to start with, we have a simple shutter. You find them anywhere. Now I've already started this one. You can use for the face a little pewter tray. You can use porcelain, several different things. And you can use, this is a table leg. So from the arms I'm using a table leg. How I attached the plate was I put a piece of wood here at the back, a little 1x2, glued and screwed it in, and then I glued it to the plate so it would stay. And now what we're going to do is add some more legs. I'll show you that. Another little cabriole leg off the table. And this one, first one I kind of screwed in. This one had a little chip in the leg, so I'm having to use a little bracket on the back to bracket it in. Alright, next thing we're going to do, we got some shorter table legs painted. These are going to be the arms. So it's starting to take shape. These will be the wings, these will be the arms. Got a little gardening bucket. Sometimes I use buckets, sometimes I use little watering cans, something like that. Now that is your basic garden angel. Here's his garden angel wings, pretty little face, arms, holding a bucket. I'm going to fancy this one up a little bit. I'm going to add some pressed tin. I had some old antique pressed tin ceiling that was all tore up, pieces of it. So I'm going to put that in here. I haven't got this completely fast together, but you'll get the idea of it. So there is our garden angel, pressed tin ceiling tile wings, and it's as simple as that. Now you can do other ones too. I have some more examples here. Again, I started with a shutter. Got some old weathered wood for the wings, old hinges, gate hinges, table legs. This is a porcelain dish, but this looked cute, and a watering can. So, you know, on the back I'll either put wire or I'll put a string to make an attachment for it. again, I start with a shutter for the body. This one I also use a plate. Sometimes I use little star things that you can use for a kind of halo. Again, legs, real nice legs. This was some metal brackets, old vintage metal brackets I had left over. Again, a watering can. But you can do a lot of different variations of this, and they're all really cool. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you next time.